Hi friends, thanks for clicking. It's English Insight and I am Manoj Shukla with you. आपने देखा है बहुत सारे लोगों इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली बोलते हैं. आपने ये भी देखा है बहुत सारे लोगों इंग्लिश करेक्टली बोलते हैं. मगर रीजन क्या है? रीजन तो ये है परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस आवश्यक है. परफेक्ट प्रैक्टिस आवश्यक है. ये वीडियो देखो, अंत तक देखो, प्रैक्टिस करो, यू कैन मास्टर द लैंग्वेज. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो आप तो देख रहे हैं ये सब सेंटेंसेस लिखा गया है बोर्ड पे. ओके, बट इन ईच सेंटेंस देयर इज सम एरर. हर सेंटेंस में कहीं एक एक एरर है हर सेंटेंस में. ओके, सो 5 sentences have been written. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वी सक्सीडेड टू सेव द गर्ल. आप सोचो कहाँ है वो, गलत कहाँ है? वी सक्सीडेड टू सेव द गर्ल. सेकेंड, ही इज टू वीक दैट ही कैंट वॉक. Number 3, many girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. Number 4, the letter shouldn't exceed more than 90 words. More than 90 words. And number 5, the furnitures in the room are old. ये सब sentences है. Okay? But in each sentence there is some error. In each sentence there is some error. हर sentence में कहीं एक एक error है. Okay? So we'll see the first one. We succeeded to save the girl. हमें बेटी को बचाने में सफल हुआ. मगर so how to correct the error? How to correct the error? So we succeeded to save the girl. The sentence is wrong. The sentence is incorrectly written. But how can it be written correctly? So succeeded के बाद to use नहीं किया जाता है. Okay? To is not used. Succeeded के बाद to is not used. After succeeded to is not used. So the preposition should be used in. So succeeded के बाद in use करना पड़ेगा. So we succeeded in. If in is used, we succeeded in. Okay, the expression is we succeeded in. हम सफल हुआ, हम सफल हुआ. So we succeeded in. Then what will come? If in is used, so in is a preposition. Just after the preposition, we have to use the ing form of the verb. We have to use ing form of the verb. This is not save, rather this is saving. This is saving. Okay. We succeeded in saving the girl. Again, I want to tell you, जब सेंटेंस में एक प्रीपोजिशन है और इसके बाद एक verb आता है तो verb ing फॉर्म में लिखना पड़ेगा. verb ing फॉर्म में लिखना चाहिए. ओके, सो क्यों ये verb ing फॉर्म में लिखा गया है? तो ये ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रीपोजिशन, इसको ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द प्रीपोजिशन कहा जाता है. इन saving, so in is the preposition, saving is the verb here. It's written in ing form. ये तो object of the preposition. Saving is the object of the preposition. So saving is the object, in is the preposition. So saving is object of the preposition. So the correct sentence is we succeeded in saving the girl. Okay, this is the rule. Just keep it in your mind. So number 2, he's too weak that he can't walk. वो इतना कमजोर है वो चल नहीं सकते. So okay, think where is the error? So in 2 ways we can correct the sentence. In 2 ways we can correct the sentence. कैसे लिखूंगा? So he's too weak that he can't walk. So just to replace to by so. Okay? Just to के बदले so use करो. To के बदले so use करो. This is so that structure. So that structure. So structure क्या है? So plus adjective और adverb plus that. So plus adjective और adverb. So plus adjective और adverb plus that. ये structure है. He is so weak that he can't walk. वो इतना कमजोर है वो चल नहीं सकते. Okay? He is so weak that he can't walk. और एक तरीका है, और एक टेक्निक है, और एक वे है. Okay? We can correct the sentence. So how can it be done? He is too weak. Just you write he's too weak. He's too weak to walk. वो काफी कमजोर है चलने के लिए, वो काफी कमजोर है. He's too weak to walk. Okay, just replace this clause. Replace this clause by to walk. That he can't walk. Just it should be replaced by to walk. So instead of that he can't walk के बदले just you should write to walk. So in 2 ways we can write the sentence. He is so weak that he can't walk. He is too weak to walk. In both the ways we can write the sentence. So the sentence will be correct. Okay. Next 3. Number 3. Many girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. Many girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. So हर गर्ल बिलीव करता है, हर गर्ल माना जाता है, तो ये एक ब्यूटीफुल क्वीन है. सो कैसे? आप सोच रहे होंगे क्या? सो मेनी इज यूज्ड हियर, सो गर्ल शुड बी चेंज्ड इनटू गर्ल्स. अब तो ये सोच रहे हैं. ओके, सो मेनी गर्ल्स, it should be written. Do you think that many girls believes that? If you write many girls, then comes believes. It is also wrong. It is also wrong. Many girls believes. So इसे तो नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. It will be incorrect. It will be also incorrect. But so what is the correct sentence here? Many girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. But the structure is many a structure. Many a girl. So okay, the sentence is many a girl. The correct sentence is many a girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. So what does it mean? अगर आप चाहो तो many यूज करने के लिए, अगर आप चाहो तो many यूज करने के लिए, so just after many a use a singular countable noun, many a boy, many a girl, many a table, many a book. Okay, but then what will be written? Then the verb should be also singular. The verb should be singular. Okay, so here after many a just use a singular noun, singular countable noun, and just after that use a singular form of the verb, singular verb. Okay, so the sentence will be correct. Many a girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. The sentence is correct. Not many girls, but many a girl believes that she is a beautiful queen. Okay, so number 4, the letter should not exceed more than 90 words. The letter should not exceed more than 90 words. ये लेटर 90 वर्ड से अधिक नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so the letter should not exceed more than 90 words. So where is the error? Error कहाँ है? Okay, सोचो error कहाँ है? Very simple sentence. Okay, where is the error? So the letter should not exceed more than 90 words. अगर आप exceed यूज करो तो exceed is used here, and so what exceed refers, more than refers to the same thing. So exceed and more than, they cannot be used at the same place one after another. So exceed means more than, okay, just after exceed more than should not be used. Exceed के बाद more than use नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so just we have to omit more than. We should not use more than. Okay, the sentence is now correct. The letter should not exceed 90 words. ये लेटर 90 वर्ड से अधिक नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, this is the sentence here. It's the correct sentence. Okay, number 5 we'll see. The furnitures in the room are old. एक कमरे में ये सब फर्नीचर्स पुराना है. Okay, the furnitures in the room are old. Okay, think where is the error? The error is everywhere. Everywhere there is the error. Everywhere there is errors. Okay, the furnitures in the room are old. So furniture, we have to keep it in our minds. Furniture is always uncountable noun. So what should be written? Not furnitures, but furniture. A piece of furniture, 2 pieces of furniture, 3 pieces of furniture. If you want to turn the uncountable noun into countable form, so how should it be written? It should be written a piece of furniture, 2 pieces of furniture, 3 pieces of furniture, 4 pieces of furniture, not furnitures. Furniture is always uncountable noun. So it is not appropriate here, the furnitures, it is incorrect. So we should not use s. We should not add s to the word. Not the furnitures, but the furniture. Okay, this is a uncountable noun. So it cannot be written in pluralized form. Okay, so the furniture, not furnitures. Then okay, we'll proceed forward. The furniture in the room are old. So furniture is the real subject here, real subject word, head word in the subject form. In the subject, furniture is the head word. So the furniture in the room, not are old. Okay, as it is not a furniture, so are should not be used. Are तो हम use नहीं कर सकते. Are हम तो use नहीं कर सकते. The furniture in the room, this is the furniture in the room is old. Okay, the furniture in the room is old, not the furnitures in the room are old. Okay, this is a correct sentence. The furniture in the room is old, not the furnitures in the room are old. Okay, we'll see some other sentences. Now we'll see these sentences, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9 and number 10. Number 6, my father is angry at me. Okay, number 7, he's both kind as well as clever. He's both kind as well as clever. He's used to read books. He's used to read books. Number 9, he's not more taller than his brother. He's more taller. He's not more taller than his brother. Number 10, Radhika said that she will go to Delhi the next day. Radhika said that she will go to Delhi the next day. Okay, these are the sentences. But in each sentence, हर sentence में कहाँ गलत है. Okay, errors है. Okay, we'll see the first sentence. Number 6, my father is angry at me. Okay, सोचो, मेरे पापा मुझसे नाराज है. मेरे पापा मुझसे नाराज है. So, ये sentence है. But my father is angry at me. There is something error there. So, what is the correct one here? So, my father is angry at me. Just instead of angry, use with. मेरे पापा मुझसे नाराज है. जब एक पर्सन आता है, angry के बाद with use करो. So, my father is angry with me, not my father is angry at me. Okay. Next sentence we'll say. He's both kind as well as clever. वो दयालु और चतुर दोनों हैं. So कैसे लिखना पड़ेगा? ये तो सेंटेंस गलत है. सेंटेंस गलत है. This is incorrectly written. So what must be the correct one here? He's both kind. Here the both hand structure is used. Both hand structure. Both and. Okay. Both and. He's both kind, not as well as. But we should use and. Just use and here. And को use करो. And को use करो. The sentence is correct. Not he's both kind as well as clever. It's incorrect. The correct sentence is both kind and clever. वो दयालु और चतुर दोनों हैं. Okay, both hand structure. Number 8, he's used to read books. उसे किताबें पढ़ने की आदत है. But there is something error here. There is something error. Used to is a modal. But after used to, after the modal, first form of the verb is used. modal के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब को यूज किया जाता है. वो भी यूज हुआ है. मगर एरर कहाँ है? एरर इज समथिंग देयर. ओके, सो एरर कहाँ है? वो यूज टू स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. वो यूज टू स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. बी यूज टू स्ट्रक्चर है. बी यूज टू स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, बी वर्ब इज और एम और आर प्लस यूज टू इसे लिखा जाता है. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो हमको यहां वर्ब के साथ ing यूज करना पड़ेगा. नॉट रीड बट रीडिंग. वर्ब के साथ ing यूज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ही इज यूज्ड टू रीडिंग बुक्स. आई रिपीट इट. जब बी यूज्ड स्ट्रक्चर में सेंटेंस लिखा जाता है, ओके, जब बी यूज्ड टू स्ट्रक्चर, बी यूज्ड टू क्या है? एक बी वर्ब यहां है, इज और एम और आर. ओके, वाज और वे आर. जब ऐसे लिखा जाता है, बी यूज्ड टू स्ट्रक्चर में लिखा जाता है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? जस्ट आफ्टर यूज टू के बाद जस्ट वी हैव टू राइट द ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, नॉट द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब बट द ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके, सो ही इज यूज्ड टू रीडिंग बुक्स, नॉट ही इज यूज्ड टू रीड बुक्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट नंबर 9, ही इज नॉट मोर टॉलर देन हिज ब्रदर. ही इज नॉट मोर टॉलर देन हिज ब्रदर. वो अपने भाई से लंबा नहीं है. ओ अपने भाई से लंबा नहीं है. ओके, गलत कहाँ है? ओके, ही इज नॉट मोर टॉलर देन हिज ब्रदर. द सेंटेंस इज वेरी सिंपल. द सेंटेंस इज वेरी सिंपल. सो दिस इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री प्लस देन. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री प्लस देन ये यूज किया जाता है. सो द सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट, बट वेयर इज द इनकरेक्टनेस हियर? सो गलत कहाँ है? गलत कहाँ है? यहाँ है गलत. मोर शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड. He is not taller than his brother, not he is not more taller than his brother. क्यों? रीजन क्या है? This is comparative degree plus than. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. So Rama is better than Hari. Madhav is fatter than Udhav, etc. Okay, we can say like that. We can write like that. So tall, taller, tallest. This is the comparative degree. But more should not be used before that. More को टॉलर से पहले यूज नहीं किया जाता है. मोर को टॉलर से पहले यूज नहीं किया जाता है. क्यों? बट ये हो जाएगा ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. ब्यूटीफुल, मोर ब्यूटीफुल, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. हैंडसम, मोर हैंडसम, मोस्ट हैंडसम. बट ये तो नहीं है टॉलर, मोर टॉलर, मोस्ट टॉलर. सो ये तो सेंटेंस नहीं, ये तो वर्ड नहीं है, ये तो एडजेक्टिव नहीं है. ओके, सो टॉलर, so tall, taller, tallest, but it is not taller, more taller, most taller. It is not that. So more should not be used. So more use नहीं किया जाता है. Okay. So the sentence is he is not taller than his brother. Okay. So number 10. Radhika said that she will go to Delhi the next day. राधिका ने कहा कि वो अगले दिन दिल्ली जाएंगी. ओके, बट एरर कहाँ है? वो तो सेंटेंस करेक्ट लगता है, सेंटेंस करेक्ट लगता है. ओके, सी वेयर इज द एरर? Radhika said that she will go to Delhi the next day, but there is something error. There is something error. Okay. Radhika said, it is written in past tense. Okay. Radhika said that. Radhika said, this is past tense. ये तो main clause है, main clause है. Okay. जरूर आपको ये याद करना पड़ेगा. जब लेफ्ट साइड में past tense है, जब लेफ्ट साइड में past tense है, लेफ्ट साइड में इन द सेंस जब मेन क्लॉज पास्ट टेंस है तो राइट साइड में आपको पास्ट टेंस को टर्न करना पड़ेगा. पास्ट टेंस में पास्ट टेंस को टर्न करना पड़ेगा. सो कैसे? सो राधिका सेड दैट शी विल गो. सो विल लिखा जाता है यहां, विल. सो हाउ टू टर्न विल इनटू पास्ट टेंस? इफ यू राइट वुड इंस्टेड ऑफ विल इट विल बी करेक्ट. जस्ट हमको लिखना पड़ेगा वुड. ओके, वुड. सो would is the past form of will. Would is the past form of will. Okay. Now the sentence is correct. Radhika said that she would go to Delhi the next day. राधिका ने कहा कि वो अगले दिन दिल्ली जाएंगी. Okay. So I want to repeat it. If the left side is in past tense, so definitely the right side should be turned into past tense. अगर वो लेफ्ट साइड past tense में लिखा गया है तो राइट साइड को जरूर past tense को टर्न करना पड़ेगा. So here past tense is used in right side, so will should be changed into would. Will should be changed into would. I can cite another example. I thought that he will be a doctor, but the sentence is incorrect. The sentence is incorrect. I thought that he will be a doctor. So how is it possible? Not that. I thought that, this is past tense. Okay. I thought that, this is past tense. So in the right side, he will be a doctor, but it's wrong. I thought that he would be a doctor. He would be a doctor. Another example I can cite. I thought that I am going to Delhi. I am going to Delhi. Not, it's wrong. I thought that I was going to Delhi. I thought that I had a big building. So ये तो rule है. Okay. These are all sentences with rules. So thank you for watching it. But one request, never hesitate to subscribe this channel and never hesitate to share this video. Okay. आऊँगा, बाद में आऊँगा.